Now, how do we find rational numbers between two rational numbers? We are given two rational numbers, let us say 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 8. Now, these are two rational numbers and we have to find out 5 rational numbers between these two numbers. Now, in order to find out 5 rational numbers between them, you will have to first take the LCM of the denominators. The denominator has to be same first. So, LCM of 8 and 5 will be found out. So, I am going to start with the lowest prime number, that is 2, 2 goes 4 times, 5 will remain as it is, again with 2, again with 2 and finally with 5. So, what is happening is we are going to get numbers here, prime numbers, we will multiply all this. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 5 is 40. So, we can say LCM is 40. Now, if the LCM is 40, we will have to see how many times 5 is going in 40. 5 goes 8 times in 40, 8 into 2 we get 16 upon 40 here. Again LCM was 40 here, 8 goes 5 times, 5 into 3 is 15. So, here we are getting 16 upon 40, here we are getting 15 upon 40. First we had taken the LCM as 40, 5 is going 8 times, we are multiplying that 8 with the numerator. So, we get 16 here, here 8 goes 5 times and we are multiplying that 5 with the numerator here, 5 into 3 is 15. Now, between 15 and 16 there are no whole numbers. So, at the moment we will not be able to find out 5 numbers between them. So, what we have to do is multiply and divide by the same number, which means that I can multiply and divide by, let us say 2 or 3 or whatever. So, if I am going to multiply by, let us say 5, 16 upon 40 multiplied by 5 and divide by 5, this is going to be 15 upon 40 multiply and divide by 5. So, here we are going to get 16 into 5, that is 80 upon 40 into 5 is 200, and here we are going to get 75 upon 40 into 5, that is 200. So, here now we can find out the numbers are 76 by 200, 77 by 200, 78 by 200, 79 by 200. So, we have 4 numbers between them, but we need to find out 5 numbers. So, this number that we have taken 5 is actually less. So, we can take either 6 or 7 or 8 or whatever. So, let us take probably a higher number, that is 6. Now, if you are going to take 6, then what happens? The fraction will now be 16 upon 40 into multiply and divide by 6, and 15 by 40 also we are going to multiply and divide by 6. 16 into 6 we get 96, by 4 into 60 we get 240, and here we are going to get 15 into 6 is 90 and this is 240. Now, can we find the 5 numbers between them? We can find, because the numbers can be 91 upon 240, it can be 92 upon 240, 93 upon 240, 94 upon 240 and finally 95 upon 240. So, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers between 90 by 240 and 96 by 240. So, this will be the procedure to be followed whenever we want to find out 5 numbers, 10 numbers or n numbers between two given rational numbers.